You fucking drunk, nigga. You got blood on my fucking shirt and Boogie the fucking pants, nigga. Look, you got the fucking period.
Yeah.
Look, you got a period, nigga.
Why'd you let me start recording?
Fuck, look at his pants.
Stop recording, son. Look at his pants.
Get edited, yo. And get edited. That nigga caught his period, Mark. Mark, that nigga caught his period. That nigga caught his period.
Oh, yeah,
y'all play me, son. I'm gonna fucking period, nigga. I'm gonna fucking period. Ain't y'all play me? Y'all play me, yo.
That nigga.
Where y'all?
Give me your phone so I can call Archer.
Hey, yo, Trap, nigga. Play me, nigga. I got a little blood on my head. Y'all play me. Alright. Oh, you bet.
Worm, let me get your phone. Worm.
Fuck all these niggas in the boys, man.
Give me your phone.
Y'all play me, I got a little blood on my hand, man.
I know, man.
They ain't never seen blood before.
Niggas is wildin'.
You ain't never seen blood before?
Just don't touch my clothes with it, please. Let me get your phone. I'm gonna call Archer.
What the fuck you did to my shoulder, nigga? I'm not getting Archer, so you can.
Yo, let me see.
What the fuck you did to my shoulder? I didn't do that, yo. Who the fuck is the bleeding massage you? Yo. Yeah, nigga. Yo, you trying to say that I put that blood on you? Trav, look at your hand. Alright, cool. Trav, alright, look at your hand. Alright, Trav. Alright, Trav, I ain't do that shit to you, yo. Well, damn. Just say, I got a little blood on me, but I didn't put that shit on you. Trav. I didn't put that shit on you. Trav, you just sucked me, nigga. I didn't touch you. I put the blanket on you, nigga. You put the blanket on me? What blanket, nigga? This shit right here. Try. Oh, you recording this shit? I'm not recording this. Try. You recording it?
Yeah. This shit.
Hey, yo, try. I'm on bloody. We supposed to be boys. I have to gap and you blood. Nigga, we boys. Try. You said we supposed to be boys. I feel it. I understand. Try. You said we supposed to be boys, right? Not just touching with that hand.
I need to breathe.
Yo, I didn't put no blood on you, nigga. Right, what the fuck is on my shoulder? Where? Right there. That's not me. What, that's lipstick? I didn't put you, nigga. That's lipstick? Alright, cool. Alright, we gonna get this off right now, Monkey. What the fuck? Put that on you. Monkey, don't even knock this nigga.
Yo, I ain't in this.
What the fuck, yo? Put my shoulder. Put that on you, nigga. Is this track blood or is that lipstick? I didn't put that on you. I know what the fuck I put on.
That look like Kool-Aid to me.
Kool-Aid? Yo, try, yo, nigga, this shit thick as hell. Whatever, man. How the fuck I'm supposed to get this out in the laundry? I didn't put that shit on you, nigga. I know what the fuck I did, man. I put that shit on. Nigga, this is not your pants right now. Whatever.
I can't breathe.
Yo, I ain't even knocking you on my birthday. I got about to go home. This shit matching your pants right now. Alright, yeah. Nothing matching. You driving the courthouse?
Yo, I don't even try to courthouse.
I ain't put that shit
you almost there.
Wild the fuck. I ain't put that shit on you. Why the fuck I'm gonna put that shit on my nigga? Cause you ain't know, nigga. What the fuck you drunk? I ain't put that shit on my nigga, man. What the fuck? You was drunk? Put that shit on my nigga?
I think one of that white nigga that was repping blood.
Oh, we should have that on.
I wish I would take it.
Y'all don't understand what this nigga was saying.
Yo,
this nigga was like,
take off your jacket or something so you don't get blood on your jacket. Yo, blood doesn't come out, dog.
What's it gonna mean? Blood don't come out?
No.
Trash. I swear to God, when I wake up. You better get some. I swear to God, nigga, when I wake up, if this shit don't come out, my shit bleeding. You gonna have fucking problems. You better get some industrial bleeding. My
shit is bleeding.
My shit is really bleeding. Yeah, I'm about to take my we gonna fuck something. Yo, I didn't put no blood on you. Oh my God, Monkey. Alright, forget the fuck. Why did I put blood on you?
Don't I ain't in this.
Did I put blood on you?
You ain't put blood on me. Not yet.
Did I put blood on you? No. But why you have to talk about it? I'm not trying to come at me, man. Nobody talking to nobody. We trying to eat right now. We gonna try to eat, Let's try. We're trying to eat right now. I don't give a fuck right now. I'm really trying to tell you, I didn't put no blood on you. Monkey told me you put blood on me.
I didn't say
you put blood on me.
No, get me out of this. Get me out of this, dog.
Straight on my jacket. I put straight on my jacket. I didn't put no blood on. Why would I do that?
Trav bought like 12 Long Islands.
You did it on purpose. Alright, whatever. Nigga, look at my arm. Does that match your jeans? No. Come on, nigga. my nigga didn't put no blood on me, and you try to say I put blood on you.
Bro, this nigga ain't talking to me.
Just try, listen to me. Alright, I'm stable. Does this no. Does this match your jeans, nigga? Just say, alright. Does it match my jeans? Yes. Look at this shit. Oh. Alright. Alright. Yeah, I'm not saying you did it on purpose. I didn't do it on purpose. But I didn't notice the shit until Monkey said your Travis touched you.
I said it looks like Kool-Aid.
Dude, fuck Kool-Aid, nigga. You told me your Travis touched you. You got blood on your shit. So you did Monkey. What you trying to say, man? I got some shit or something? I'm not saying you got shit, nigga. I got shit or something? Your hand is fucking leaking. I got some shit or something? Oh my god, this nigga's wildin'. So all the girls I fuck, I got bitches and stuff. I got some shit or something? Everybody turn the fucking lights up. This nigga's body. How this nigga more body on my birthday? I'm trying to say, you got it. I got blood? You got blood. No, I'm saying that you got body on your birthday. That's what I'm saying. I got body. But Trav, your hand is leaking, right? I'm not gonna talk. That's your fucking blood. I'm not gonna talk. Oh my god. Alright, we good. Camera, cut, we out. Tweet the crowd, we out. Let's go to
Where am I letting you do no fucking shout-outs, no fucking threes, the crowd?
This Monkey.
Trav, say bye.
Whoa. This Monkey TV, we out.
This is Trav right now as he floats the coach off.
We out. We going to the coach house. Somebody 7,000.